Today we are going to unbox or unbag the 55mm universal lens hood. Unbag this. Woohoo! Now I did get a kit with it, and in the kit I got a little, oh, look at that, a little brush. Okay, mess with the lens a little bit. I got a lens cloth, and an extra lens cap. Nice. Now the lens hood, there we go. The lens hood is made of rubber, and it is collapsible. So you can supposedly bring this out. I'm not exactly 100% sure how it works. There it goes. So as you see, we got the lens hood here. It collapses partway, and it's supposedly all the way. It's kind of like a 2D tamp, but you probably won't be able to see it. There we go. Until it's actually on the camera itself. So let's go ahead and put it on the end of the Canon EOS R10 and see how it fits. Okay, here is the Canon EOS R10 that I was talking about. Now we're going to put this on. Now this does have a UV filter on the end. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to put that on the filter. See if it works there. It does. Okay, the filter, I also did an unboxing for that. I'll put a link to that video below as well. But it does not seem to impede anything. Looks like that's detent 1 and detent 2. There we go. Now, the cool thing about this is because it's rubberized, I can put it up against glass and hopefully get the glare off when I'm looking in, different cases, things like that. And of course, it won't scratch the case, which if you're in an area that you want to take pictures or video of, you don't want to cause damage. That would be a very bad thing. When it's extended all the way out, you do see a little bit of a fringe around the corners, half detent. You don't. And of course, obviously all the way back, you don't either. Okay, now just to give you an idea, that's actually a window right here. And you can see a lot of reflection on it. Now pretend like this is a display case. All you have to do is extend. See all this reflection there? All you have to do is extend the hood, then go up to the display case. Of course, you can't push too hard, otherwise you're going to see the hood. But for the most part, you can see right in, no problem. I think this hood is a good purchase, at least for the intended purpose that I have.